Graphic design has been one of the highest paying skills in IT world, but to create a design hasn't been so easy. People take days, hours before a design can be created. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a design using just some few words or just some prompts. Well, you're welcome to Generative Academy, where we learn and unveil the mysteries of IT. So if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, give us your comments, and we are good to go. So we are going to show you an AI tool that will help you to create your design with just a prompt. So let's launch our browser. In the address bar, let's type Adobe Firefly AI. So when it opens, just select the first on the left to send to this particular website. So when you get to the website, you go straight to sign in, then you create an account. So if you are new to this session, you need to create an account, enter email, click continue, or you can continue with Google if you have a Google account, or a Facebook or an Apple account. As a new user, you need to create an account here. You just click on create account, then you select any of these account I want to use. I want to use Google, so I just click on Google. You can also enter your email and the password manually here, and you continue. So I want to sign in with Google, so I'll click on this Google icon here and then select my email address that I want to associate it. Click on continue, and then it will sign me in to the Adobe Firefly platform. So at this session here, we are going to create an image. So all you need is just come to this session here. Make sure this session is selected to image. We are going with image. So we give you a description how you want your image to be. So maybe you can say a man playing at the beach with a dog. Let's say with a dog. Okay, so I've described my image that I want to display or I want to generate. So all I need is just come to the session, click on generate. But you can see from here that it will also give you some prompt suggestions. So if you read through the suggestions and you suit how you want your image to be, you just select them. So you can also enter your prompt manually here. Then you go to generate and you wait for it to give you your image. Okay, so so when you see this particular prompt, you just click on try now. Now, because we are new to this particular page, it will take you through a few tours, but don't worry, you can just click on OK. So you can see that our image has been created for you. You're going to get 4 different images of a man playing with a dog at the beach. So it's so simple, so easy. Just select it, and you can just click on this particular section here, and it will open to Photoshop Web, where you can edit the photo as you want. Or if you're okay with this particular photo, you can select and then go through the photos that have been generated. And if you're okay with any of them that you want, just come to this particular section here, just click on download. Then that particular image will be downloaded on your system. So you can just go to your downloads and you are going to see your image fully downloaded. So that is it. So this is how you can create your design with just a prompt, few descriptions, and you're good to go. Now, there's one thing I want to show you. If you don't have any idea of how your prompt should display, you can go to ChatGPT and then you describe the kind of design that you want to make on ChatGPT. Then tell ChatGPT to give you a prompt where you are going to use that prompt to generate image on this particular platform. So you go to ChatGPT, you get your prompt, you come and paste your prompt here, and your image will be created for you. So this is how to use Firefly. So if this video is useful to you, please please don't forget to like the video, give us a comment, and we shall meet in another lesson. Bye for now.